I'm gonna call you baby. I only went time to see you laughing. I only wanna see you laughing in the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only wanna see you bathing in the purple rain. I never wanna be your weekend lover. I don't wanna be some kind of fool. Oh, baby, I can never steal you from another. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only wanna see you underneath the purple rain. Honey, I know try to change it. Yeah, and it's time you're reaching out for something new. That means you too. You say you want a leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind. So I think you better close it and let me guide you to the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. I only wanna see you dancing in a purple rain.
Hey! Well done, girl. Well done, Zoe. Louise, what did you think of Zoe's performance?
Oh, Zoe, do you know what? Your voice is just coming on leaps and bounds. Your lower register is so smooth and gorgeous, and I say it every time, but it's just absolutely gorgeous, that lower tone. The presentation, the way you presented yourself, you know, what you were wearing was lovely, and the whole video in itself, you know, you really kind of outdid yourself compared to previous weeks. I have to say, like, it's absolutely mind-blowing to me that someone with a voice like yours is so reluctant to try things that are up there like you were in the week, because you just have no faith that you can do these things. And like I said to you in the week, you can do it, otherwise I wouldn't tell you to do it. And you've proved to yourself and to everyone else that you can do it. So really bear that in mind. So in future, you know, in lessons or in sessions with anyone else, if someone says to you, "Well, try this," try it, because you have the capability to do it. So have faith in yourself, because you've gone for it this week and you have shown us what you are capable of, and it's a hell of a lot. So well done, and keep working hard.
Kelly?
Yeah, I thought it was a lovely song choice for you. It really showed off those mature lower tones, and they're just like, you know, it's delicious when you're down there. It's just, they're so flawless. It's so nice. But it also showed off your belt. You know, you didn't just stick with the song. You didn't keep it at one level. You gave it something else. You gave it that extra oomph. I love the fact that you did like a slide with your voice and then into a little riff. I thought that was really, really lovely. And I like how you took it up through sort of like the scales into that really high note at the end. It just, you just showed so much versatility and you did something different with it. That, you know, that song has been covered so many times and you did something different with it, which takes a lot of creativity to do that, especially to a song that's been done that many times. So yeah, you should be really, really proud of what you're achieving week in and week out, because your voice is incredible. Well done.
Zoe, yeah, I mean, I gotta give you credit, and I've said to you before about this, Louise picked up on, you know, that you can be very reluctant on some of the notes and pushing your voice. And I've seen this before, and I've said to you before, don't hold back, let it go. And what happens there is when you get into a solid pattern in your mind where you're like, no, I can't go there, I can't do that. If you start believing this, which I believe you got to that place where you was like, no, I can't. When you try them, they're not going to come out as good anyway. You know, because you've already told yourself you've failed before you've done it, you know, or before you've excelled in it. So what you need to do now from this performance, from what I've seen, the last section, this especially, you was doing things that I know Zoe wouldn't usually do. So if anything, you want to give credit, because I got it, Louise, for you to get her to even go for them notes is a shock to me, because she wouldn't do that with me, you know. So no, fair play. And like I said, keep doing it and don't hold back. Don't hold back, because if you want to further and be the best of this, you got to go for it, girl. Don't you get scared of them notes, because you've got it all within you. Loved the performance, loved the visual, loved everything about this. It stood out so well. And I'm so glad you finally did this song. But don't hold back on them notes. And if Louise recommends anything to do it, do it. Because I know that's what you need to be doing, 100%. Well done.